today another major shift for the former GM plant in Trumbull County. Lordstown Motors is reportedly ready to sell the complex to a tech group from Taiwan. That news broke overnight. So First News immediately put calls out looking for reaction from LMC, but also local lawmakers. Our First News evening anchor Dave Sess is live now in Lordstown following this developing story. Dave.
And Chelsea, I think you hit on the key point in that statement, is that it's to sell the plant, the factory, not so much Lordstown Motors possibly. So there's plenty of room in that facility. As we know, they've been wanting to rent out some extra space or have offered it to people to move in to do some production of anything in there besides the vehicle. And this could be that chance. In fact, we're outside City Hall right now to talk with Mayor Arno Hill about that. Mayor, this seems like a good possibility that it could be something to help get the Endurance to the finish line and then be an addition to it.
That's what we're hoping. You know, when you first read the report, you know, I don't know how far they are along with this report, but one of the biggest things is funding for the truck. And I believe that Foxconn would have the ability to be able to fund this, to take it to the finish line. You know, on the checklist of what we still have to do, funding was number one. I believe that this could be a big help.
So you're standing here today wondering what's going on too. What type of help are you willing to get to them to tell them if they're going to announce this deal?
All they have to do is give me a call. I'll sit down with myself and Village Council and, you know, what are you going to do? Are you going to continue the truck? We heard that's what's going to happen. Are they going to bring in electronics? You know, Foxconn makes all the Apple phones. So, you know, are they going to be diversifying the inside of that plant? We heard that they are going to be making the truck. You know, you prepare for the worst, but hope for the best, and that's what we're doing here in Lordstown. But I'm waiting to hear a lot of the specifics, just everybody else is too.
All right. Thanks, Mayor. Appreciate your time. Again, Foxconn, as he said, is the world's largest producer of iPhones. They make those in China and then ship them over here. Foxconn built that plant in Wisconsin to make large panel displays for TVs and other electronics. It'll be interesting to see if they buy this plant here. They've been talking about making an electric car. Will they put that in addition to the Endurance and really ramp up the energy here in the Voltage Valley? We'll still try and find out more details for you later tonight here on First News. Live in Lordstown, Dave Sess, WKBN 27 First News.
All right, thanks, Dave. We also know today's news sent the price of Lordstown stock up. This afternoon, it's trading at $8.02 a share. That's a 66-cent increase from yesterday, a jump of 8.9%. At its highest this morning, it was up 18%.